This project is quite special because it's the first ever painted headliner for a Rolls-Royce motor car. It's a very ethereal rendering of Milky Way. It gets its name from the hazy band of stars and gas clouds that you can see on a very dark night. For this project, we've decided with the designer to slightly alter the colors of the night sky so they complement the colorway of the car. I'm given as much freedom as I need to give it an artistic touch and make it a one-of-a-kind piece. Acrylic paint dries quickly on cotton canvas, and it dries even faster on leather. This adds an extra dynamic to the process. The real challenge is the irregular surface and the curved parts. It's been pushing me to explore new techniques. I've already applied the black color paint, and I've sketched roughly the Milky Way onto the leather using a white china marker. This step is crucial for maintaining accurate proportions as it is a large piece. Now I'm in the process of applying the acrylic paints. Because they easily blend with water, it allows me to achieve a very natural flow of the color on leather, which is quite effective for rendering the Milky Way. Depending on the desired effect, I'm applying colors one at a time or in layers to achieve depth and texture. Once completed and fully dried, a protective coating will be applied over the artwork to ensure it retains its beauty for years to come. Looking at the Milky Way every day, I'm reminded how small we are and how beautiful the world around us can be.